Cocktail hour at the end of the day is one of those important times for you and your significant other to sit down, spend just a few minutes together, and download your day, because we all need to do that. And these are some great examples of glasses that you can use for that cocktail hour. Whether it's a wonderful gin and tonic that you enjoy in something like this fun cut J. Hills, that's even got one that's a little frosted on the bottom, or you prefer something very simple like this from here in Berlin, which is beautiful. Gin and tonic, even a spritzer, or if you love lemonade, how good would that look in one of these? Either way, spend those few minutes at the end of the day and have yourself a cocktail hour.